The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the upper body and build your upper body strength. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to get into a headstand position. As you're doing this, you want to make sure that you get a full exhale, a tuck, and you're reaching your arms as long as possible. When you get up in this, you're going to make sure that your chest is facing the wall. So I'm going to put my feet up against the wall. And then as I walk up the wall, I'm going to make sure I'm tucking my hips and I'm breathing once I hit the end position. It's going to look like this. I'm going to get a little tuck, walk up, hold it. You can walk in to make it a little more challenging. Walk out to make it a little easier. Get your tuck and breathe. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.